Hey there, I'm Jake, co-founder of MadeIN Cookware, and I'm so excited to share with you guys a project that my team and I have been working on for nearly 2 years, our brand new wine glasses. We've designed these pieces entirely from scratch and worked with our 11th generation manufacturing partners to craft these pieces in Germany. As you probably know by now, my family has been outfitting restaurants, hotels, commercial kitchens of all shapes and sizes, and fine dining rooms since 1929. We've bought, we've sold, we've tested nearly every type of wine glass on the market, so when we set out to design our own, we knew exactly what we were looking for. Like all MadeIN products, our wine glasses start with the finest raw materials. We source pure quartz from deposits in Austria that have been the starting point of the finest stemware for the last few centuries. The pureness of the raw material results in lead-free crystal, which is the gold standard for fine stemware, because it's not just entirely clear, but also surprisingly strong. While these are stunning enough for any finely set table, they're also durable enough to be dishwasher safe. You can actually hear a great wine glass. A thicker, bulkier, cheaper wine glass doesn't have the same sound. Let's talk construction. The strength and the integrity in the raw materials themselves actually result into a better constructed glass. Most of the glasses you see at home, like this one here, are made of 3 different pieces: the bowl, the stem, and then the foot. On the other hand, when we manufacture, we take the finest raw glass, pour it into a molten mold, first making the bowl. We then pull the stem from the bowl itself before adding a second piece, the foot. Having 2 pieces instead of 3 results in a better weighted glass that has better balance and is also a lot more durable. After the stem is pulled from the bowl, each rim is laser cut, creating an elegant and fine edge that almost falls away. It also leads to a better mouthfeel on the wine. But to be honest, the thing I'm most excited about is the shape and the design of this glassware. It was really a privilege to partner with somebody that had centuries and centuries of glassware manufacturing expertise. There was a lot of back and forth testing, a lot of collaboration, a lot of convincing, but at the end of the day, we developed an incredible wine glass that we're excited to bring to market. So what we set out to do was develop a universal red wine glass shape. We also set out to develop this universal white wine and sparkling shape. So between these 2 glasses, you can enjoy any varietal of wine from anywhere in the world. When designing our red wine glass, we started with a nice wide base, which created enough surface area to allow whatever was in the glass to breathe. There's also some nice height to the glass that kind of directs all of the aromas right to your nose. While not being as comically large as your classic Burgundy glass, it still creates that surface area to allow whatever red wine's in there to shine. Now, for our universal white wine glass design, you're going to notice it's a smaller bowl with smaller opening, but it truly is universal in the white wine varietals it can accommodate. You can have a more full-bodied wine because there's a decent amount of air being introduced to the glass, yet there's the structure and height that really contains the aromas in the glass itself. So for those really high finesse white wines, you can really capture everything that's going on in the glass. I also have thrown away all of my champagne flutes. The only time I drink sparkling wine or champagne is out of this glass itself. When you're enjoying champagne, you want to get the full aromas and taste that's in the glass, and this universal white wine glass is better than any flute you'll find. We are big believers that investing in the right tools make all the difference in your kitchen, and these wine glasses are no exception. I am so excited they're finally here, and for you to have the opportunity to try them at home or in your restaurant. Please visit our entire tabletop collection, check out these wine glasses and more at madeincookware.com.